Hi, my name is Shalmai Rivera, and this is my video blog for Web 2.0 tools. I think that schools cannot afford to leave online tools out of their curriculums. Students today are always connected to each other through social media, Facebook, Twitter, and chatting online through instant messenger systems. To be able to have such a rich resource of discussion and decide to bring it into the classroom setting can completely transform how students connect and discuss with one another about their academics. A great example I heard recently was a Spanish teacher who tweeted about a Family Guy episode that she knew several of her students were watching. Her class engaged with her online, tweeting in Spanish about the episode. The following morning in class, students were talking about the Twitter postings from the night before, all in Spanish. The teacher's decision to tweet about Family Guy helped the students become interested in speaking in Spanish about something that has to do with their lives outside of school. I am lucky to be part of a work community that doesn't just encourage social media tools, but actually requires it. I'm only 2 weeks into my new job at an email marketing company, but part of my training has included making sure that I have signed up for and used Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. My company relies on our customers' needs and desires to be connected with their own clients socially and engaged online. Understanding these different social media tools benefits our customers because our customers use these third-party systems and plenty of other online systems to help increase the reach of their businesses and nonprofits. In my office, coworkers communicate through an online chat function called Spark, which is basically an instant messenger system with chat room capabilities. Our company is growing at such a rapid rate that communicating instantly through chat about an issue a customer is having can greatly reduce the amount of time to help that customer and can also increase the quality of the help given to the customer. I believe that merging of the corporate and academic worlds with social media tools can be beneficial for all involved. What we do every day helps to make up who we are. This can include work, school, social interactions, family life, and other activities. We can stay connected to the people we want to through Facebook, Twitter, and more specialized online communities using Ning if we are looking to create these communities online and are willing and able to pay for it. It may be hard for some people to get used to, but there are plenty of people who are already connected in this way through smartphones, having constant and immediate connections with their email, Facebook, text messaging, and other functions. Being able to use these technologies to strengthen connection within the corporate world, other workplaces, and educationally can bring people together in ways that are not necessarily possible in the classroom. For example, coordinating my schedule to fit in taking classes has been very difficult. I find that when I have the time, I take it to complete readings, post online, comment on others' posts, and to work on other assignments. Giving myself that time in the day to do this, I find, has made my thoughts and posts stronger than if I were sitting in a classroom. In another online course I am taking, we are required to collaborate on group wikis, which is shown to have a lot of challenges. Using online technology, email, GChat, and of course online programs such as Prezi or Extra Normal has made the experience easier to handle. Without these resources, it might not be possible to create quality wikis while people are working asynchronously. Students want a better online educational experience. They are demanding it, and schools that are following through are going to continue to increase their student populations. Those that do not listen, well, eventually their lower numbers will start to show, if they haven't already, that students will leave for something better if they do not get what they want. Being able to post discussion responses and comment on others' posts has been beneficial to me in terms of contributing my thoughts to these online courses. While I went to a small liberal arts college that allowed for in-depth discussions in class, I often felt overwhelmed in my courses to speak up. Being able to have the opportunity to share my thoughts in a set space has been great for me, more so than I ever thought it was going to be. Making my connections with classmates through Wimba, which I'm using in another online course, also makes the online experience feel more like an in-class setting. Discussions, whether through voice or chat, are necessary in the academic field, particularly for online and distance education. Being able to post one's thoughts and having ongoing conversations with your classmates from around the world, all from the comfort and availability of your own computer, is incredible. Having the ability to post when you have time and comment later between other things you are doing in your life makes online learning very attractive to our incredibly overscheduled world. Thank you for listening.